possible in life. Where there is a will, there is a way. Good evening, Toastmasters, esteemed guests, and Divisional Governor Tony Sheshadri. Thank you. I have been hearing these quotes and sayings right from my childhood. Sometimes from my parents, especially from my father, sometimes from my teachers, and post-marriage from my wife. Friends, Dr. Rajdeep is one such person who is testifying all these quotes. He has shown all of us that anything is possible in life, for it's a lie, it's the mind which makes the man. Backed by determination and self-belief, even the divine will be too obliged to help him to achieve his goals. Initially, he had some mental blocks, but after overcoming those mental blocks, the success has been following him like his shadow. What is that something which inspired me of him? Life being life will not be smooth all the times. We'll have ups and downs. And Dr. Rajdeep has never given up at any point of time. Be it at the situation where he had to struggle to manage his studies and take care of the family also, or facing the same external world which was very cynical about giving him employment, which doubted his capabilities. He stood strong. He set targets and he achieved goals. That is one of the attributes that I like in him very much. Dr. Rajdeep has shown us that it's only after the struggle that the sweetness of life can be experienced. Friends, life has its own ways of making us believe in ourselves. Just that we need to persevere and be persistent with our goals. The second aspect of Rajdeep that I like most, he's been a student of life all along. Friends, he has done 3 post-graduations, MCom, gold medalist, MBA and MPhil, again gold medalist. He has also done PhD in commerce. And in his profession as lecturer, he makes sure that he brushes up on a particular subject the previous day, be it at the cost of burning the midnight oil, before preaching the students the next day. And in Toastmasters, he has completed DTM, but he has again started with the CC. I am very amazed at the energy level of Dr. Rajdeep. He's been learning and understanding the small lessons the life teaches him. Yet another attribute that I liked about Rajdeep is the self-introspection. In his profession as lecturer, he makes sure that he speaks to students, takes their feedback, analyzes the way he conducts the classes, and sees where he can improve to make the class more interesting. I was not very, I could not get this point very clearly, so I called up Rajdeep and asked him, "Sir, how do we do it in our practical life?" He said, "Hey Krishna, it is very simple. Before going to bed, you just mentally scan what all activities you have done in the day. See what are the aspects on which you did well, positive aspects. Pat mentally yourself for having done them well, and analyze those aspects which you didn't do well, and see how you can improve. Believe me, you will not make those, you will not repeat those mistakes in future, and also you will find a new motivation to do things right." Again, I was not very clear how to do it. I said, "Sir, no, you have to make it simple." He said, "No problem, Krishna. Start each day with the question, where do I improve today? End each day with the question, where did I improve today?" Fantastic, right? Yeah. Friends, man is a thinking animal. Do you believe?
Yes.
And let me tell you, thinking animal is very dangerous for himself and for others. Anybody else in Rajdeep's position would have been self-pity for himself and cribbed about all the visible and invisible gods. But he only concentrated on the abundance of life that he has got, and he is in the position what he is today. We, being the co-authors of our own lives, we have to make sure whether we are making progressive choices or stagnant choices. The scarcity, abundance, or the happiness that we get in our life depends on the beliefs that we make. Let's all make sure that we constantly check our thinking process. Yet another attribute of Dr. Rajdeep is multiple avatars. He is a Toastmaster, he is a guest speaker, he is a quiz master, and any role that he takes up in Toastmasters, he is the champion. I just wish, at least in one field, I come to a level so that I can help others. Rajdeep's motto in life is to make difference in people's lives. And he has truly inspired me, and he has evoked the poet in me to pen 4 lines for him. So shall we listen? Whether it is singing, acting, or living, Dr. Rajkumar was an inspiration. Be it prepared speeches, table topics, or evaluation, Dr. Rajdeep is an inspiration. Truly, Dr. Rajkumar was the Nata Sarvabhauma of Kannada film industry. Truly, Dr. Rajdeep is the Vaja Sarvabhauma of Toastmasters fraternity. Friends, we all get only one life. Let's make sure that our epitaph reads people who grew beyond themselves. Thank you.